Tnad social welfare jong sarkar jilla hakar pu pratare unai wing arja arpulai kala Kyntu ya ki brio ki bamdei ki kentai nation rang ki bala tip haka kentien nong wai kom ki transgender bagi dei ban mi Khmat khnang bakin yo jingman ya ki hi kakong CD lingwa ka director jong Tnad kala ong bagi transgender ki la ban wan saka office rai kam ga jong ki ban yo ya ki Aadhaar card ki ration card bat ki voters ID card nalor ki wai pan Nakaliang Principal Secretary Jong Tnad usampat kumar ula Kyntu ikipat ba ban kiar na kabapet lan ya ban le ben yaki transgender.
From the discussion that we had today is that we want them to avail the prevalent schemes like Aadhaar card, then your these cards, ration cards. Those are what voter IDs also. We just want to disseminate the information that they can come to our directorate, to our department to avail these facilities. The other things that we want to do with transgender, meetings are going on. We are still waiting for updates from other departments, and ongoing meetings are going to be held on this.
To ensure that there is no stigma, there is no discrimination. So that is the main discussions on that. That's why they will get the ID cards, they will get everything that like any other city.
And on that also, we are having this wellness program from Social Welfare Department, which we are going to do capacity building and going into the schools and collaborating with them as to how to do sensitization on inclusivity. That is what we are going to do now after the discussion that we had under the leadership of both our Minister and our Principal Secretary. We are going to work on an agency or a consultant agency that are going to do this data collection, because it needs to be professional. Of course we know, but for it to be accurate and that we don't get sidetracked, we are waiting for a professional agency.
This final professionally collected data, one, and two, in view of the stigmatization attached to transgenders. I think that explains why we have just 3 entries in the electoral rolls. So our task as a department is to destigmatize first, and to create awareness amongst society so that this vulnerable group is not made to feel that they are a stigma to society, and then hence they will come forward and declare themselves as transgender.